like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon. This video share to your friends, family members. Use small painted tires or wooden planters boxes as editing along garden pathways or walkways. This creates a defined boundary and adds decorative elements to your backyard. For a choosy look, choose colors or designs that complement your overall garden theme. The edging has helped keep much and gravel in place while also adding a touch of charm. Utilize vertical space by hanging small planter boxes from hooks or brackets on walls or fences. This approach not only saves ground space but also allows creative plants arrangements. You can hang multiple planters at varying heights to create cascading effects, adding depth and interest to your backyard. Run tires in visual garden decorative by painting with upright patterns, outrunning them into animal shapes. Place them strategically around your garden to add a playful touch similarly. Wooden planter boxes can be adorned with decorative elements such as a painted designs or a stand-clipped patterns to enhance the visual appeal. For small backyard wooden planters and small tires can creatively purposed to enhance your landscaping. Here are some ideas. If you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the bell icon. This video share to your friends, family members. Old tires to create multi-level planters. Use them to grow flower herbs. Ensure proper drainage by drilling holes in bottom. Build or buy small wooden planter boxes. Arrange them in a tiered formation against a wall or fence for vertical garden effects. Pathways, edging, small wooden planters or painted tires to line a garden path or walkways. This adds structure and can define garden areas. Create dedicated herb garden by using wooden planters. You can place them in a sunny spot to keep your herb fresh and assemble. tire or planters to create unique garden features like wishmill animal shapes or color patterns. These ideas can help maximize the space and add charm to in our small backyard. Thanks for visiting, thanks for subscribing our channel, thanks for watching. Thank you.